Good morning. Today we are heading to the Giant Clams to go snorkeling.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we're going to go to a turtle spot to go...
Secret turtle spot.
Secret
Yep,
turtle
so if
spot.
you want to find out where that spot is, keep watching. Day 3 in Samoa. Exciting day today. How are you feeling, George?
Yeah, good. It's really hot, so I can't wait to get in the water.
Yeah, same. We're
Yeah.
going to drive there now. I think it's about a 30-minute drive from where we are.
Yep.
We have arrived at the Giant Clam Sanctuary. I think this is where all the clams chill out. Georgie drove the last bit of the journey, and then I think we pay this Donny over there. Yeah, so hopefully, it's low tide actually, so hopefully the clams actually come out. And apparently you can see big turtles as
I
well.
don't think they like just come out. I think they're just there.
Oh.
Did they move?
Yeah, I think you're right. Looks amazing at the moment, low tide, so we might have to go all the way out there to get the clams, but I'm going to case the camera up now and then take you guys in there to see the clams.
Here we are, walking now.
Fogged up.
Yeah, I'm fogged up, I can't breathe. I do have a pink snorkel on though, so it makes it all worth it. Oh, it's got in my nose!
So here, over there is like a freshwater spring, and all the fresh water is on top, and then the lower you put your hand down, the warmer it gets because you get more seawater. All the clams are at this massive Samoan flag. Looks like a storm's gonna come. The clams are sick though. Smile for the camera.
I can't really smile because my face can't move because my snorkel is so tight. But we're getting a little bit tired now because you can't really see. Well, you can, but it's really murky because the clams are like releasing this like goo.
Yeah,
it's like
weird.
That we might. I look like Squidward.
Squidward.
But we might go in as we're getting a bit tired, a bit like ugh.
So we're just leaving the clam place now. Just started absolutely pouring it down. Oh, there's a car. Absolutely pouring it down. We're gonna drive back. We need to fill up with some fuel, and then we were hoping to stop off at the turtle place, but we'll see if this weather clears. Just stopped off at the shop. 30 tallow we spent. Do you want to do a little haul, George?
Yeah, we've got 3 boxes of these.
Vicky's.
Some more biscuits, chocolate biscuits. We got, where have I put them? Some cream biscuits. 3 packets of noodles for dinner. Kit Kat. And then 2
Kool-Aids.
Capri Sun type things.
And then 2 boxes of Pringles. Where's my Snickers?
I don't know, wherever you put it.
Oh, Georgie's lost my Snickers. Ah, that is out of order.
Right, we're driving back to the resort now. It is still pouring it down. And Max has to make a noise every time he wants one of these biscuits.
He's pouring it down. Were them boys playing footy in the rain?
Yeah, they were. We didn't catch me doing that.
Yeah, no. Nearly home. Hopefully it dries up when we're back. On the way home, we have stopped at Nana's Takeaway again. This time it is open, but we're going to see what time it closes. George is going to ask. I think she's teaching someone the language.
Hiya, I'm just wondering what time you're open till tonight.
9 o'clock in the morning.
9 o'clock in the morning?
You're open all night?
Open time or close time?
Oh, close time tonight.
Maybe tonight is I close 8.
8.
8?
Eight.
Okay,
Decent.
we'll come back before
It
then.
is now 5.
We're just staying at
So we'll be
Saratoga
back
Sands, but
before
we're
8
just going to come
o'clock to
back
get
for
some
dinner
grub.
because we're not so hungry just yet.
We're back at the resort now then. Georgie's just packing away all her things.
Very sandy.
Very sandy actually, yeah, jeez. Still cloudy out, but maybe, hopefully there'll be a nice sunset, and then we'll go and get Nana's takeaway later. Right, there wasn't a great sunset, so we've just been in bed for the past 2 hours. It started pouring it down. You can probably hear it. So Georgie's decided she wants to show you her, her new raincoat.
Didn't think I'd be getting this one out.
But it's sick. Give us a twirl, George.
Target, 20.
From Target, how much?
£20, $40.
Decent test material. Perfect. Off to Nana's. We're going to the takeaway place. Hopefully they've got nuggies, because yesterday they didn't.
We have managed to find an umbrella, but it's still a bit scary because, I mean, wow. I can't believe it's raining. What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to keep the camera dry.
Yeah, but you're not showing it. The rain is actually horrendous. It's like literally hard to see. Not that I'm the one driving.
Dangerous, isn't it? We should not. We should have just gone hungry tonight, George.
Yeah, and I just know that Nana's is going to be closed together now.
We have arrived at Nana's takeaway, and it stopped raining, so we're gonna get some grub now. Right, we've just got back.
What?
Georgie has a bug in her head.
Man!
This is our food. 5 tala that cost, which is £1.40, £1.30. We're gonna enjoy this now, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow we're moving to a beach valet on Lalu Manu Beach, so that should be sick. So if you want to see more about that beach, check out tomorrow's video.
Bye.